What's up, fam? It's Wyf CaityB back in the building with yet another reaction video of my This is my mama, and we only react to polys or just Nesians in general. So for today, we're gonna be reacting to Stone 2, which is a brother from America, and his track dropped recently, and it's called Locsta or Locsta, prod by MA to the TA. I like that. But yeah,
family bound.
Family bound.
Block music and
Now you know that's America right there. But yeah, if you're new to our channel and this is the first ever video you're watching, thank you so much for stopping by. Appreciate it heaps, fams. And if you guys want to consider subscribing, please do by clicking on my logo over there, or click subscribe at the bottom. And please don't forget to click that bell to keep notified on when we upload videos for you guys. But yeah, thank you to those that have requested. I appreciate it heaps. And Mum B's wearing some PolyMovement businesses here today. So she's wearing Toko Sule Movement. They have Facebook, they have Instagram. They also have different colours if you guys want to check them out and get you guys some gear too. And they do have crop tops for us girls out there. But yeah. Nah.
I should get me one.
Ooh.
Or what?
It's winter, Mum. I don't think it's a good idea. Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's winter, that's why I didn't get me one.
Go see.
More layover. Yeah, fams. Let's get into the track.
I thought it was gonna be a wedding song. Oh, I like the shoes.
Hey, this beat sounds like... So reminds me of a pillow song. Yeah, we were just saying that the intro sort of reminds us of the movement based in Brisbane at the moment, of his song Daddy Loves You, so which was dedicated to his daughter. Yeah, so shout out to him. Yeah, it sounds exactly like similar. I'm not too sure if he sampled the song that he's probably using as well, but damn, definitely a familiar beat in there.
I'm a Locsta. I'm a rider.
Oh my gosh, I thought it was gonna be a song.
Sad one, yeah.
Yeah.
These Americans, like, we switch it up one, yeah.
I'm a Locsta. I'm a rider. Pull up like a poster. I'm a slider. I'm a Locsta.
Yeah, the Cortez.
Love Cortez.
Pull up like a poster.
Oh, you silly.
I'm a slider.
What are those?
What's the disclaimer for that? Is that grass? They ball up grass over there?
Your ass. Play.
They
Rewind it.
all over me, hey.
You gotta rewind it back a bit.
Hey, his hair's good.
Selling.
Selling her.
I'm a slider.
Selling.
I'm a slider. Pull up right behind you. I don't need a natty boy. I know where to find you. I'm like an animal. I told her, baby, kinda. You can fall back on your boy and I'll recline you. She know that I'm on the road and I gotta go and get it. She know I've been looking, I ain't just started, it's been a minute. But I ain't no telling how it's gonna be. Tomorrow ain't promised when you're running these streets. Better keep it close. Seen the most, pop a bottle and slip the toast. We gon' pour a little out for the bros. Kill it on approach. All them pussies speaking on the low. When I see them, it look like they seen a ghost. Yelling gang gang. Sucker slip, we did the same thing. And they thought the shit was good until the rain came. But I just gotta stick and move, I gotta maintain. And them crackers just trying to get me on the chain gang. Fuck 12. I'm a Locsta. I'm a rider.
That dog.
Pull up like a poster. I'm a slider. I'm a slider. I'm a Locsta. I'm a rider. Pull up like a poster. I'm a slider. I ain't playing no games. Let's just cut to the chase. We can throw from them shoulders. We can come from the waist. I ain't playing no games. Let's just cut to the chase. We can throw from them shoulders. We can come from the waist.
No time.
Hey, rest in peace, Swiss P. Oh, that was quite a short song. Damn. He's just saying he's a Locsta. Ain't no playing around. A lot of people talk smack when he comes around. They ain't saying nothing, they look like a ghost. I guess he's just sort of like you know, just letting people know who he is and what he is and stuff like that, from what I was hearing. representing his brothers and all that.
Representing the blue.
Yeah. Yeah, the looks. What do you think of it?
Because you always used to wear Lokes with red.
Oh, because I'm cool like
No,
that.
no.
Nah, I can do what I want to.
Lokes
No,
is
but
blue.
you know, Lokes, the actual, you know, company, they have red and they have blue and stuff. So we can do what we want. No, I'm joking. No, I don't rep no colours, fams. I just love Lokes.
They're rip colours.
If it was ripped by red, bro, I'll rip it like there's no tomorrow. No, I'm not. I'm not about
It's
that
not my
colour.
child.
Yeah, I'm not about colours. I just like red. Just tricks the eye. Oh, but look, I'm wearing navy blue. See what I mean when I say I'm not about colours? But I fought you. Peace up. No. Nah, as we say, guys, no gangster.
That's right, hide it. I expected hardcore.
Yeah, but then I was expecting sad as well. Like, I was like sort of hoping it would be like a vulnerable. But yeah, it switched up and it was like a lowrider type vibe for me. Like if you have a Cadillac, just like, or obviously as they were getting high and stuff like that. But his hair's so straight, eh? Fuck, my hair could never be like that. Yeah, cool. No one asked. Yeah. What do you think about it?
I liked it. There were the show of weapons on there. It's just that I'm just like people to watch it and
have a good time.
Yeah, but I don't want to mislead them into watching.
Yeah, 100%.
No, the younger age.
Yeah.
You know how our young ones are so vulnerable now.
Yeah, they're very they like to, once they see things, they they do.
They're always full of excuses. Self-explanatory, wasn't. Didn't have to try and listen in the lingo. We have problems with the lingo, and
I feel like
apologies to the American fans. We do have problems with the lingo. Probably the same as you guys listening in on us.
Yeah, with us.
I don't know. Yeah. But
like a lot of our lingo is usually like influenced by Americans as well.
Yeah.
So in case you guys are like, why are you guys using our slang? It's just because a lot of us are influenced by American music, and that's where
or
like we're
UK,
Booyah tribe, like
or the UK.
Yeah, UK.
Yeah.
But we do have our own slangs and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But gotta keep up with the trend, Like I like that he was chill, and it showed on the clip. He's not trying hard. He's just having a good time.
Because I was trying to focus on this one, but my head went back to his last one that we reacted to. So I'm trying to.
But same way, very chill. Like he's in the car, obviously doing like similar things.
Laid back.
Yeah. Damn, I'm a Locsta. Oh man, awesome track, man. I love the visuals. Very simple. Not too thick. There are some effects where I was like, what's going on there?
Happy vibe.
Yeah, happy, simple vibe.
I get happy like that sometimes.
Happy, joy. Stone too. Like I love his vibe. Eh? He's like the music he puts out is definitely a vibe that I'm into. Like just chill, not too hardcore. Just something you can listen to every day.
Just being you. That's him.
Yeah, that's him. And I feel like I know him a bit more just listening to more of his music.
And appreciate it.
Yeah, 100%. I give it an 8. Yeah, I give it an 8.
Yeah, I give it an 8. Yeah.
Yeah. Like I wasn't too, but it wasn't too, It was right in the middle for me.
Yeah, I give it an 8.
Sits right here. But yeah, anything else you want to say, Mum B?
Yeah, like it needed a bit more
But
again,
that's
our expectations. It's him. It's nice.
Oh yeah, just another thing. I also loved it even more because the beat was familiar. Like, and I also loved it because you threw us off. We thought it was gonna be sad, and then you just went, psych. But yeah, friends. Anything else? But yeah, without further ado, again, we're gonna leave you guys to it. Please don't forget, fams, PolyMovement.
Subscribe to the channel, Block Music, and please subscribe and share the link on your socials and help the brothers get recognised here in the Southern Hemisphere. Support our PolyArtists, whether in America, the UK, wherever.
100%.
Here in New Zealand and Australia, just support. I mean, we're all one.
100%.
We're all one, please.
Much love, stay safe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.